Chapter 2 Counting in Groups.
Students, now let's count the number of balloons on the board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we have total 6 balloons on the board. Generally, counting this method may take some long time. So now I will teach you a simple method that is called counting in small groups. So counting in small groups. This method is called counting in small groups. So let's start. 1 plus 2 is equals to 3. Now 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals to 6. So there are total 6 balloons. So students, there are some balls on the board. So let us count these balls in small groups. This is an example of counting in small groups, children. Students, see here. 2 plus 3 equals to 5. Now 5 plus 4 equals to, tell me students. Yes, 9. So 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equals to 9. So there are total 9 balls. So students, let us solve this example. Let us count number of flowers with small groups. 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. 7 plus 5. Tell me students, what is 7 plus 12? Sorry, 7 plus 5. Tell me. Yes, it is 12. So 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equals to 12. So there are total 12 flowers. 12. There are total 12 flowers on the board.
Counting in pairs.
Students, now we are going to learn how to count objects in pairs. What is a pair? A pair is a group of two objects. A pair is a group of two objects. Students, there are some balls on the board. These are arranged in groups. So, look at these groups and answer my questions. Let us solve. Tell me, students, there are total how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, total 6 groups. Tell me, students, there are how many balls in each group? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, there are total 4 balls in each group. Total 4 balls. Let us count total number of balls. There are 6 groups. There are 4 balls in each group. So, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 and plus 4. 6 groups, 4 balls in each group. So, 4 plus 4 is 8. So, 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. So, right here 24. So, there are total 24 balls. So, total are 24 balls are there on the board. Total 6 groups. In each group 4 balls. 24 balls.
Count and tick the correct answer.
Tick the correct answer. This is an apple. It has some seeds. Seeds are more than 10 or less than 10. Let's find out. Let's count number of seeds in this apple. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Tell me, students, 5 seeds are more than 10 or less than 10? Tell me. Yes. See, 5 seeds are less than 10. Now tick the correct answer. Less than 10. Next one. Sticks. This is a bundle of sticks. So now let us find out how many sticks are in bundle. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So here there are 12 sticks in this bundle. Tell me students, 12 sticks are more than 10 or less than 10? Tell me. Yes, 12 sticks are more than 10. So students, tick the correct answer. Students, let's take this example. Chocolates in a box. Let's find out whether these chocolates are more than 20 or less than 20. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So tell me students, these chocolates are more than 20 or less than 20? Tell me. Yes, less than 20. 15 is less than 20. Correct answer is less than 20. 1, 5, 2, 0. 15 is less than 20. So students, let's solve this problem. In this board, there are some apples. Now, these apples are arranged in pairs. Let us find out whether total number of apples is more than 10 or less than 10. Let's count. There are 2 pairs in first row. There are 2 pairs in the second row. So, there are total 4 pairs consisting 2 apples in each pair. So, tell me students, how many total apples are there on the board? 4 pairs containing 2 apples each. That is equal to 8 apples. Tell me students, 8 is more than 10 or less than 10? Tell me, think and tell me. Tell me students. Yes, 8 is less than 10. 8 is less than 10. Students, let's solve this problem. There are some stars on the board. These stars are arranged in pairs. Let us find out whether total number of stars are less than 20 or more than 20 or less than 20. Let's count. So there are 5 pairs in first row and 6 pairs in the second row. So now tell me students, what is the total number of pairs? 5 plus 6. So the total number is 11. So there are total 11 pairs on the board. There are 11 pairs containing 2 stars each. Students, what is the total number of stars on the board? 11 plus with 2 stars each. So that is equal to 22. So we have 22 stars each. Tell me students, 22 is more than 20 or less than 20? Think and tell me. More than 20 or less than 20? Correct. 22 is more than 20. So 22 is more than 20.
Join the dots in their ascending order to get the picture.
Students, let us join the dots and make a tail for mouse. So let's start. So friends, students, like this we have to join the dots.
Arrange in ascending order.
So students, let us arrange these numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means the smallest number will come first. So let's find out the smallest number. Tell me students, which is the smallest number? 97? No. Yes. 69? No. Yes. 61. Yes. 61 is the smallest number. Tell me students, what is the number? Next number. What is next number? Tell me students, after 61. Yes. Number 64. 64 is smallest number. Next. 70? No. 69. Yes. Yes, 69. Next. 70. Yes. What is next number, children? Tell me. 97. 97 is the next number. No. Yes. 85 is the next number. So write here 85. And next, last number is 97. Children, see here. Ascending order means the smallest number will come first.
Arrange in descending order.
Arrange in descending order. So students, let's arrange these numbers in descending order. Descending order means the biggest number will come first. Now let's write. Tell me students, what is the biggest number in these numbers? Yes, 93. What is the next number, children? Tell me. 29? No. 35? No. 64. 64 is the next number. What is the next number, children? Tell me. Think and tell me, children. 16? No. 35. Yes. 35 is the next number. What is the next number, children? 29. 29. Next, tell me children, what is the next number? Yes, 7. No. No. Ha, 16. 1, 6. 16. Next number is 7. 7 is the next number. 93, 64, 35, 29, 16 and 7.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit on the bell icon.